Hey everyone, my name is Kendall. I'm the Young Adult Librarian here at the Clay County Public Library, and today I'm here to show you how to make friendship bracelets. This is a really fun and easy way to show your friends and family that you're thinking of them.
So for this project, you will need 7 pieces of string or yarn. They can be any colors that you like. You can also use embroidery thread, which is what I used for this example. You will also need a ruler, a piece of cardboard, some scissors, and a Sharpie or pencil. The first thing you want to do is to trace a circle on the cardboard. You can use a cup, or I used a flower vase to make this circle, and then you want to cut that out. The next thing you want to do is use your ruler and draw a line straight down the middle, and then another line across that middle. You're going to add 2 more diagonal lines. You're basically making your circle look like a pizza that has 8 slices. Next, you want to take your pencil or your Sharpie and poke a hole through the center of the circle where all of your lines meet. The next thing you want to do is you want to cut about 1/2 inch into each line to create slits, and this is where your thread is going to be placed. Now that your cardboard piece is finished, you can gather your 7 pieces of string and tie them in a knot at one end. You want to leave about 2 or 3 inches after the knot so you can tie it on someone once it's finished. So now you want to take your cardboard piece with the lines facing up towards you and push the knot through the hole in the center. Place each string in a slot. There will be 1 empty slot open when you are done. Face that 1 empty slot towards you. Now with the empty slot pointed towards you, take the 3rd string on the left and pull it out of its slot. And then you want to move it over and place it in the empty slot in front of you. Now rotate the cardboard piece so that the new empty slot is pointing towards you. Now you want to repeat the last step by taking the 3rd string on the left and pulling it out of its slot and moving it over and placing it in the empty one in front of you. Again, you want to rotate the cardboard piece so that the new empty slot is pointing towards you. It's important that you make sure that you gently hold the knot in the back so that the thread remains tight. Now you want to continue moving the 3rd string on the left and rotating the cardboard piece over and over again until you get the length that you want. Once it's as long or as short as you want it, pull all of the strings out of the slots and pull the bracelet out of the hole. You can then knot the other end and you'll be ready to go.
I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial on how to make friendship bracelets. I would love to see your creations in the comments below, and stay tuned for more craft videos. Happy crafting!